Hey guys, today we're going to be discussing one of my most favorite ways that you can look after your low back health, and that's using a wobble disc. Now, a wobble disc is an air-filled disc, which is a cheap piece of equipment to buy, and this can really transform your routine when it comes to looking after your low back. The other great thing is if you're an office desk worker, this is something that you can use at your office desk throughout the day to keep your low back discs healthy. Now, in order for our spine to stay healthy, it has to move properly. And our disc health is solely reliant on movement of our bones. So there's this term called imbibition, which basically means that fluid can get pumped in and out of a disc down to the movement of our spine. So what the wobble disc does is it allows us to move our spine in all ranges of motion. I always say the best posture is the next posture. So your body loves movement. So this is how you use a wobble disc. You place it on a stool or on a chair. You're going to upright yourself on the chair. Give yourself a nice posture, nice position, shoulders back and down. And the first movement you're going to do is drop your pelvis to the right, elongate the right flank, and to the left. And you're going to do 10 repetitions of this either side. And what this is going to do in your spine is really mobilize those low back joints. It's going to mobilize those discs. It's going to draw fluid into the disc material, hydrate the disc, keeping it healthy. The next movement you can do is forward flexion and extension. So rolling the pelvis forward and backwards. Again, another nice move. And you're going to feel while you're doing these movements, it almost feels like your spine or your low back's getting a massage. And then the last movement I like to do is a circle all the way around. So you're following all the way around with the disc, mobilizing the low back joints, mobilizing the discs, improving the health of the facets, the ligaments, the muscles. Everything's getting moved and stretched here. And this is 3 exercises that you can do as a routine in between not using it at an office desk, or something that you can do in your day-to-day spinal hygiene routine to keep your spine healthy.